Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost and see what other goodies they have to offer. Thank you guys for watching today. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. Today we have here, boy oh boy. Oh man. There we go. Oh, what is this? There we go. Get this on the ground. And warranty free. Worry free. Alright. Aha. Innoo LED solar torchlight flame style. Oh, sweet. We got a set. Oh, nice. So there's 4 in here. Let's take a look. LED. It's raining all day, so there's no sun. But it still might work. We got the manual. It's like a tiki torch. These are really cool to have. Especially now since we're all at home. It's perfect for your backyard. There's the solar right here. We know it's turned on. Let's see what else. We got these mounting things. Another one. Figure out where to put these. We got the second one. Alright. Just gonna take it out of the box. We got these. We got some screws that came with them. Right side, other screws. Another one of these guys. We got something at the bottom. Oh, it's another set. So you get 4 of them in the box. It's really nice. Usually you see only 2 in the set, but this is definitely do your backyard up. I'm still gonna install them, so if you want to tag along, we'll hop in the backyard in a few minutes. Once I figure out how to put these together. Got one of these guys again. Alright, see, we got more of these. Got another one of these. And a couple more of these. Alright, so we got everything in here. Alright, see. That's what we got right there. And then I'm going to pause you guys. I'm going to show you once I get it set up, cleaned up a little bit. Be right back. Alright guys, we got it all, 3 of them right there installed. Now I just want to show you, this is for like the wall mount, so that's really cool. You can put this on the bottom. Hold on one sec. Let me get it together. Okay, so you can take this. Bada boom. It's got a twist. You can have it like that. Have it outside. So that is really cool. So if you have it like a shed or something, I want to put that there. But we're going to use the sticks. See, for these, it's got a stick. Stick and move. Now just turn it 360. There we go, you see it. It's getting there. Get a little workout. It's all good. And there's a button to turn it on. It is activated because I just tested them out. See? Oh, maybe I just shut it off. There we go. I want to set these up in the backyard, so it's still light out, so I got another hour. You take this part, the vampire's steak. There you go, and it's screw it in the way. Hold on. Sometimes you gotta give it a little oomph, a little shove. Okay, so we got all 4 ready to rock and roll. These are really nice looking though. Let me show you guys. There we go. Here we go. Boom. Got the 4 right there. Like I said, each one does work. There we go. Doo-doo. So, we're going to go in the backyard, put these bad boys in, and then show you that's it. So, grab some popcorn. We'll be back. Alrighty, YouTubers, just about dark enough. Pretty much good. Quiet night out. We got them there. I got sensors, so they might turn on right about here. Still looking pretty good. Right there's the light. Then I got another one. Oh, there's my light. Right there. And then also got the 2 back right here. There you go. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. Yeah, see right now the sensor is blocking the light, but it'll turn off. Here's that one in the bushes, kind of. So there you go. Check it out, the 4-pack. Link will be down below. Be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.